Hi viewers, welcome to MSR Advanced Maths classes. I am Srinivas Reddy, presently working as Academic Dean and Senior Maths Faculty in India's top institution, Sri Chaitanya Education Institutions. Welcome to this Extra Edge series, Getting an Extra Edge series. In this series, I am discussing advanced 2020 question paper, maths question paper. I have already discussed vector algebra, question number 1. Today I am going to discuss question number 2 in this video. Look at here. This is an integer answer type question, plus 4 marks and no negative marks. So question given is, in a triangle PQR, let A bar is given QR bar, B bar RP bar, C bar PQ bar, side vectors are given. So magnitude of A bar is given, magnitude of B bar is given, and one condition given, A dot C bar minus B bar divided by C bar dot A bar minus B bar equal to modulus A bar divided by modulus B bar. Then he is asking the value of modulus A bar cross modulus B bar whole square. So first analyze the question, what he has given and what he is asking. So clearly here, what he is asking, you have an idea. So modulus of A bar cross B bar means what? Modulus A bar into modulus B bar into sine of angle between them. So two magnitudes are given. So clearly whatever it is given, so whatever he is asking, if you have an idea, whole square he is asking. So clearly modulus A bar square into sine square theta. So from the problem it is clear that this is given, modulus A bar is given 9 into 16 into sine square theta. That means clearly what you need is angle between A bar and B bar. So where theta is nothing but angle between A bar comma B bar. That bracket means what? Angle between A bar and B bar. So from the given information, what you have to calculate is theta. Right? So this is required. Now we will proceed with the given data. So now a triangle PQR is there. I am constructing the triangle. Draw the triangle and this. So A bar is given this. All the side vectors are given. All the side vectors are given. B bar is RP bar. C bar is PQ bar. C bar is this. Now, whenever this is side vectors are given, the relation is if you observe here, by triangle law, QR bar, actually by triangle law, QR bar plus RP bar is nothing but QR bar plus RP bar is nothing but by triangle law QP bar. You have to find the relation A bar, B bar, C bar. What is QR bar given? A bar plus what is RP bar given? B bar. This is nothing but minus PQ bar. That means minus C bar. So this is the relation A bar plus B bar plus C bar equal to 0 bar. This is the relation. So whenever this will be used in number of problems. Look at the vectors, side vectors are given all in the same order. A bar, B bar, C bar, all in the same order means all in the anti-clockwise sense given, and they are represented by sides of the triangle in both magnitude and direction. If all the three vectors are represented in the same sense in the triangle, then the resultant will be 0. Whenever three vectors are there in the same sense, either in the anti-clockwise sense or in the clockwise sense, resultant of the vectors, that is sum of the vectors, is nothing but a null vector. Immediately whenever a triangle is given and all the vectors are given, such type of relation we establish. So this is the relation in them. So now what you need is clearly angle between A bar and B bar. Now take the given relation. Take the given relation. Take the given relation equal to this you know. Modulus A bar is 3 divided by 3 plus 4. That means 7. That means 7. Here you know modulus A bar, you know modulus B bar, you know, and angle between A bar, B bar you want. That means you can substitute, you can eliminate C bar because C bar is not necessary. For calculating this answer, C bar is not necessary. Now eliminate C bar. A bar dot C bar is nothing but minus A bar minus B bar minus B bar. I am eliminating C bar. So here I am substituting C bar as minus A bar minus B bar dot A bar minus B bar. This is nothing but 3 by 7. Now here I am taking minus common, here I am taking minus common. That gives you A bar dot A bar plus 2B bar divided by minus of minus taken common A bar plus B bar dot A bar minus B bar. This is 3 divided by 7. 3 divided by 7. Now A dot A is nothing but A bar dot A bar is what? Modulus A bar whole square plus 2 into A bar dot B bar divided by A bar plus B bar dot A bar minus B bar. This is well known formula. Modulus A bar square minus modulus B bar square is nothing but 3 by 7. This has resulted in A bar B bar relation. Now you know everything. Modulus A bar is what? 3. That means this is 9 plus 2 into dot product formula. 2 into modulus A bar is 3. Modulus B bar is 4. We have taken angle as theta, that means cos theta divided by modulus A bar square 9 minus modulus B bar square 16. So 3 divided by 7. So this is here minus 7, this is minus 1 and 7 cancel. So therefore 9 plus 24 cos theta equals to minus 3, minus 1 that side. So therefore cos theta is nothing but minus 9 that side. So 12 divided by 24 minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 means theta belongs to quadrant 2. Quadrant 2. Because angle always lies between 0 to pi. The angle always lies between 0 to pi. So angle is what? 120 degree. Angle is what? Angle between A bar, B bar is 120 degree. Now everything you know. This is just basic problem. So 9 into 16 into sine square 120. That means 9 into 16 into sine 120 is nothing but root 3 by 2 whole square. So that comes out to be 9 into 16 into 3 by 4. So that means 9 into 4 into 3. So answer is what? 108. 108. So that is the answer. 108, that is integer answer. Simple problem. Simple problem. What is the strategy here? A bar, B bar, C bar relation, one strategy. Right? After finding the relation, what you need to calculate, you know, angle between A bar, B bar. Now given a relation, it is appearing bigger. But if you substitute here numbers, you will get 3 by 7, first step. Right? So no need of C bar because you want only angle. So that's why C bar eliminated. C bar eliminated like this. Minus A bar minus B bar. Then you got this relation. You know everything. A dot A you know. A dot B you know. Like that. First calculated theta. And then if you know theta, modulus A cross B whole square is nothing but this one. So substitute and calculate it. Like that, this is basic problem. So these type of problems you must attempt. If you have to get an IIT, these are the problems you must do, type of problems. Right? This triangle equation is there, always you will get in the problems. Whenever in the triangle vectors are given, form a relation. A bar plus B bar plus C bar equal to 0 bar when all are given in the same sense, either in the anti-clockwise sense or in the clockwise sense. So these two questions are given in vector algebra. One is multiple answer question number 1 I have discussed. This is question number 2. Right? So 4 marks and 4 marks. 8 marks are given. Of course, first one is a little bit conceptual, but this is easy. So 4 marks surely you will get. In that multiple answer question also, that multiple question answer also, you can go through the question 1 in my YouTube channel. Okay, thank you all of you. And I will come up with another chapter in the next video. So if you like this video, please subscribe and like. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.